Hey there, thanks for meeting with me today. Every enterprise brand we talk to is asking the same question. How do we win in the age of AI search? The reality is that while your team is focused on content, there may be a technical wall preventing your site from even being seen by ChatGPT, Perplexity, and other AI search engines. Today, I'm going to show you how Bot Optimizer breaks down that wall and ensures that your brand is the one being recommended. Here is the fundamental problem. AI search bots do not render JavaScript. They are built for speed and efficiency, which means that they skip the complex rendering your modern site requires. If your content relies on JavaScript to load, these AI bots are essentially walking into your store and seeing empty shelves. And the numbers are staggering. 0% of major AI crawlers currently execute JavaScript. If you are running a modern framework like React or Vue, 50 to 80% of your content is simply invisible to them. You may be spending millions on content and SEO that AI simply cannot find. Let's put this into perspective. This is what customers would see on your site, which is a rich categorized shopping experience. And then here is what an AI bot would see. All those high value categories like Christmas trees or holiday lighting, they completely vanish. If the bots cannot see the category and it can't find the products within it, it definitely won't recommend them to a user who's asking for what's the best outdoor decorations. And I know what most people think. Why can't we just fix our site's architecture? In a perfect world, yes. But in enterprise world, re-platforming or moving away from JavaScript heavy sites, it takes years and it costs millions. Your dev backlog may already be full. You need a solution that works with the site you have today and not the site that you hope to build in 3 years. And that's exactly why we built Bot Optimizer. It is like a seamless bridge for your site. We render your pages in full, cache that clean HTML, and serve it directly to the AI bots. It gives you 100% visibility without requiring a single change to your core code. You get to keep your modern user experience while giving AI the static data it craves.
Want to see the beauty of how Bot Optimizer sits in your stack? Request a demo by scanning the QR code today, and we'll take care of the rest.